Kegyiwa. At the sports page 1, bro, live on Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah, live on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM. Yantisi Kwan Mufa Sabram now.
Adom Sports number one.
Yeah. Now, young Kegyiwa, na Yamfa Sabram Twasom Famao. Now, Yerimsa, I running house. I'm going to bet much them with you. Fred be hangover. I didn't see you know. I cheated your banner hand, your friend hangover. Dear Betty, and say, wow, you're a tapo, as a way or something, as I say, and your son upon a crowd. Is open a charge. I can't sort actually. A bet charges is here. 18 patro top 4 and boy and still a bit of someone that you now man for book coach of the moment. Abaso Kojidi Dramania Baswa. And yes, some Ketua Kra was say yes. Man for say or buy an inside the house of folk team. So far. And yes, some Ketua Antiquambians the city. Near bread persuasion said near my man Nesses in Yama Koyepa. Now man for set team na yen watches the team in Yemunsia would tre. And Yama Betima Munsia but trap papa says what it is uncle for because ye did the man in your DNA boy necessity where bet you at your 10, 3, 5, 6, 18, 25. That was Munsia Botrepa. Now France and some of the 2 20 did the man this answer not to join in France no and on when Yaja which them the team not picky. The players that we have put them, we are giving them the back and the support. That's why we are here. Yes, I already as a there's encouraging boys. This wonderful performance now. We are going to do more to support the players and manage. Boys here, hard-working players. They are very skillful. They are very intelligent. And our coach, Didi, is a very tactical coach and has a future. To maintain the place,
done well. When the league starts, we are going to do well. This top 4 is really good preseason for Accra Support. And I can assure you that as vice chairman of Greater Accra region, we are going to win the league hands down. The players are doing well. In the substitution coach did, everybody is doing well, from goalkeeper to number 9 Mura. And I can tell you that Democracy Cup against Olympics, they should stand well. France no na vim abano vim wale other fans and some media to jano na top 4 boy teams ni mienu na ekosia na mu Africa go stars ko Champions League na kotokwa ko Confederation Cup na man for the kotokwa jigon. Hey, when I'm the Confederation Cup, M4, Coach Prince Awusu, one on our assistant coach Makotoko, was saying Montombo, where a lesson, Pamosia may be a fit for him.
I think it's rather unfortunate. We came here, to win it, but way down the line, this is where we have ended up. I think the boys, they did what they can do. We need more to do with them to get them back on track again. Things didn't go the way we wanted it because we came in our first game, we lost. The second game, we lost as well. And, Kotoko would not take that. And we came in the third game and we've lost as well. So we need to do a lot with them. That's what I said. How we played made us maybe lost the game. But, we're going to come back to make sure we get the boys on track again.
Way the coach Prince Awusu, one of the assistant coach Edema Matema Kumasi Asante Kotoko, what they to a ja. Enti, what kind of sound no? We don't know about Champions League, no, Gold Stars. Nano, na confirm performance we head coach Mama say we are preparation pa. So we omaji Vimo Tomo Kumuno. I'm watching the Edimum. Edding. Kabili for Munina ye.
Yeah, it's about preparation. Prepare towards the league, upcoming league, and then the next day also front end the Champions League. And until I'm just preparation, this is about the second phase. For the first phase, the lower tier teams, and I'm saying opportunity no more boy. And then now the second phase, I'm saying this competition and the top 4 tournament. And so yes, for us, I think a very good idea for us such teams and then to play with. So yes, we are still on course, and so far I think the preparation has been going on well. If you look at the positives, Saturday night preseason, there are so many things over try. There are so many players over try. So now if you look at the positives and the negatives, let's say if you say positives, add those change the negatives. It means maybe a cost. So it means mistakes now a woman. Then you better try to address mistakes. Because at this stage you will not get a perfect team at this time of the season. It's not possible. Mistakes be areas of hot monostor only assets will improve on. If you are this all control it means still continues at the work. So now we look at money
Yo, waiting summer coach Frimpong Manson, one year coach, the man coach stars, on Gosia Nemo Africa. What here to ya? Utia Sports Page 1 live on Adom 106.3. And the amount update of the Ever Basel will Tokyo. Me patrol the World Athletics Championship from the 13th to the 21st. 13th in here, you know, work with the stars. And can want some match this year. But me patrol ko PMO Ghana campus this year. Joseph Paul Amwa, any Benjamin Azamati. Woman na Ghana, one more lead team na telephone way team ni mu pa no. Na Paul Amwa kasa a chesanya sam ketwa. Okoye 4/100 no. Omo ni yedi so. Munje baton no nyase mokoye baton out of Fombia. Polamo and someone there to ahead of the championship in the
unity. You know, I don't think there's been too much of a difference from that time to now. I think we all still kind of do everything together and move as a team. So I think personally, I know that's one of the things that has taken us from this level to this level.
Everything as a team, because once you get on that stage, you're going to do is a relay. It has to be a team thing. So that's kind of been the main thing amongst us. So with regards to speed and everything, I don't think there's any difference. It's just the tradition that keeps it going.
This is the tradition of the series. Yeah, as a Martina touched the banana road, say, boy, it's your boys. No, you're trading so met me at in power. Well, let's championship. Nasanya Sam Ketwa. Walk off for 13 for somebody. I mean, Mumu, sir. As some perfect walk with the SARS, me patrol say, 13th of September. 13th of September. 13th of September. September, French. Eti mama yengina yenshia. Na ya twist pedede because I bet it. Are you ready for something spectacular? The stars are coming. Saturday, 30th September 2025. It is Stars and Perfect Walk with the Stars. Come walk side by side with your favorite actors, musicians, sports and media personalities as we promote healthy living, fitness and fun. Date is 30th September 2025. Starting point is the forecourt of multimedia. Come at 6 a.m. and finish at the ATTC School Park. Lace up your sneakers and join the biggest fitness walk of the year. There will be good music, dance, aerobics, house screening, and unforgettable moments with our stars. Participation is absolutely free. Just bring your energy, your smile, and your walking shoes. Awesome Perfect Walk with the Stars. Sponsors Ayuda App Bako, Services Vibre, Franco Trading Enterprise, Phone Papa Fee, Timafoya Bar Clinic, Oyare Phone Timafunewa, Angel Rock Mixture, Albertan Team, Sinomi Instant Noodles. Try it, love it. See you on the 13th of September. And Sebo Boankasa, 30th September, it is going to be Sebo. Yes, Shassia or the forecourt of multimedia. Multimedia go come name Ahana Dum TV war, Ahana Dre war, Ahana Hit FM war, Ahana Dum FM war, Ahana my Dre online, my Adom online, my Bibia online, my CJ online, my Ira online, my Asan online, my Aisha online, my DJ Wana online. Yen Yinawa. Hey! Oh, I bet it. Ghana 4, BBI set, stars and is ready. Awesome Perfect Walk with the Stars and with an Awesome Perfect Walk with the Stars. And Basso 30th September 2025. And yes, I'm get 12. Stars no baby. Whoa, baby, Miss Me, baby. Any actors, the musicians, footballers, sports administrators, politicians, corporate institutions, who favorite multimedia presenters, Nina. Just say, BBI is invited. Saturday, 30th September. Yes. Chassis Kokomlemle multimedia nim hafa chroma Korea TTC. Ne honi pay aerobics ahodo. Atri solo kwetri anu matutwa foni edidi ye honkomo. Free hair screening subekoso. Awesome Perfect Walk with the Stars. Ni wakuasi asene. Ayuda app Bako Services Vibre. Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone Papa Fee. Timafuya Bar Clinic. Oyare Phone Timafunewa. Angel Rock Mixture Obutenti. Sinomi Instant Noodles. Right, love it. Kai says Saturday 30th September 2025. 5:30 p.m. 6 a.m. near Chassis. And you all right, so Lele Kunele, Yabesha, the forecourt of multimedia. Nation, Awesome Perfect Walk with the Stars will be a baby CJ Ba. Obia will be here. Abena Pokia Ba. Tana Pokia Ba. Nti Pokia on a captain Obelidi. Go Pokia dear Chiremwa. As a Nimuan Odi. Na ye di Pokia Chi. Na ye Kodanim. Now on mine, Kwabna Sante, as far in a fort. Now I read Jesse. no di mum yen nyina yen hia stars ba musicians ba actors actresses politicians oh Boadi Obia baby mum yen hia and matches in the EFL Cup the be here the bro relax over Burnley mu nyina bobo anti ye be di achi West Ham na ojirem West Ham gyina mu party the be see West Ham game no the Wolves and the airborne likes of Charlton mu nyina but the be pm bia no so ye the be ba and you better say sports page 2 so na chiri sem Kegyiwa so dia ba teams I would know how are more prepared for the upcoming season in be komu ye niam ahu se ne ho nsam so esi etiampon se fa da masensa mo the F pack ne kan ho abribia pay ne be kwa F pack be established why na ho towa be established na so use so patro betway for the love of the game betway agudi ne won dia betway getway more betway for kan ho ye dey something but no me ye sinomi no do so me producer Evan so yesujani but onye sujani but sujadi ni basa dia sinomi no an use so a chese nya ne okofia ne rrrisi anaben no edi ada MTN isim no yina use si anto so bremu ne yina use MTN isim MTN dia ye mokofa ba ekofa ba masan dia ba MTN isim e da masensa patcho ko App Store now Play Store na download my MTN app on fa ho gym now so come and enjoy something on MTN ye de wase anyima e bono so e samba sports page 1 ye Evans Kwabena Sapon Professor Wallace Gumwe Jama this year Alex Kwabena Stone. Me producers no yara waka de nankasa ka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi cause what you just on some.
Enter the place and brighten. Make everybody they wonder. Waiting because of the shine. Lush hair. Long hair or short doesn't matter. Crochet or dreadlocks can be better. Only for girls we know better. Lush hair.